turning further from my home. Young, like a new moon rising fierce through the rain and lightning, wandering out into this great unknown. And I don't want no one to cry, but tell them if I don't survive, I was born free. I was born free. I was born free. Born free. Free like a river raging strong is the wind I'm facing, chasing dreams and racing Father Time. Deep like the grandest canyon, wild like an untamed stallion. If you can't see my heart, you must be blind. You can knock me down and watch me bleed, but you can't keep no chains on me. I was born free. I was born free. I was born free. Born free. And I'm not good at long goodbyes, but look down deep into my eyes. I was born free. Calm, facing danger, lost like an unknown stranger, grateful for my time with no regrets. Close to my destination, tired, frail and aching, waiting patiently for the sun to set. And when it's done, believe that I will yell it from that mountain high. I was born free. I was born free. I was born free. Born free. And I will bow to the shining seas and celebrate God's grace on thee. I was born free. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, Mama looking good in some jeans all ripped. Got a baby in her belly and a baby on her hip. Little toe-headed rascal peeing off the porch. Daddy got a shotgun looking for a stork. Oh Lord. And there's don't give a flying youngins and a yard full of junk. Love us if you can, sorry if you can't. Holler if you is, shut up if you ain't. Oh, 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 oh. Program. Bible by the bed and a bottle sitting pretty. Pigskin on the TV, bacon in the skillet. Ain't no mud in the yard, licking on the edge. Bunch of fake flamingos flocking by the ditch. Can I get a witness? Whoa! And that's don't give a flying hillbilly fuck. I said, a yard full of chickens and a barn full of drunks. Love us if you can, sorry if you can't. Holler if you is, shut up if you ain't. Oh, 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 oh. Go, go. Well, put your adult beverage over your head if you're batshit crazy and your neck is red as the dirt on the road where we all grew up. Sing something with me if you ain't nothing but. You ain't nothing but. You ain't nothing but. Oh, don't give a flying hillbilly fuck. I said, house full of youngers and a yard full of junk. Love us if you can, sorry if you can't. Holler if you is, shut up if you ain't. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. It was 1989, my thoughts were short, my hair was long. Caught somewhere between a boy and man. She was 17 and she was far from in between. It was summertime in northern Michigan. Splashing through the sandbar, talking by the campfire. It's the simple things in life, like when and where. We didn't have no internet, but man, I never will forget the way the moonlight shined upon her hair. And we were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song. Sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Catching walleye from the dock, watching the waves roll off the rocks. She'll forever hold a spot inside my soul.